I have a Novy suction hood with complete broken light covers. I have a quote for €240 parts only to have it repaired. Let's see if I can do that cheaper. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, I tried to glue the covers more than once without success. It looks terrible, but €240 to have it repaired for parts only is ridiculous. So far the success of the EU Rights to Repair Directive. I have a new 3D printer. I think I can do this better and much cheaper. First step, I took the measurements and designed the light covers in Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is free to use if non-commercial. To test if the measurements are right, I printed a small sample, only a few centimeters. And as you can see, it broke off. I had the measurements wrong. Sorry, I had to film this with my phone. The measurements are corrected and I test if the small piece fits. And with the light on you don't see anything. Everything fits, print the covers. To get access to the LED lights, I removed the assembly completely by loosening 3 Torx screws. And actually I don't have to remove the filter. I honestly don't know why it is. With the assembly out of the suction hood, I can remove the LED covers easily from the base. And as you can see, the LED base is not mounted to anything and held in place by the LED covers.
Ik al bezig.
Ja, ik kan knippen. Now I can fit my own 3D printed LED covers, printed with the Transparent PETG. As you can see, it's a press fit only. And it's a perfect fit. The second one, and reinstall this assembly, and the €2 repair instead of the couple of hundred from the supplier is done. And the final result, it looks like new. Thank you for watching. Not all the repairs take long. See you next time.